I'm Kathy Corday, and I am here with Ron Onesti. We also have someone very special here, our very special guest, John Terlato, Vice Chairman of Terlato Wines. And I understand that's a family business for you.
But family business, let me just say that I am such a huge fan of the Terlato family name, because what you have done is captured the essence of the American dream, the Italian American dream, from starting in 1938, Grand and Western, from the Paterno family, the great Paterno name, all the way to 27th and Western, Pacific Wine, supporting that little Italy, little Tuscan area of Oakley and Western, to being a huge name in business today. And thank you for being with us, John.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Ron. Thank you. Very kind of you.
You know, being a family business, again, it's the essence, family is the essence of being an Italian American or being from Italy in America. How has that affected your business and the growth of your business, the essence of family?
It's a great question. You know, I think the success of our family is really because of these values that Italian families had that were transferred from my grandparents to my father, my mother, and to my brother and I. And the vision that my father had for our business and the values that he passed along of hard work and persistence and tenacity and strength of character and finding solutions to problems, those were all things that were kind of woven into the fabric of our family. And my brother and I, when we were young and we were learning these lessons, little did we know how well that would suit us as we became leaders in the business together, working on driving this family business forward. We're in our fourth generation. Our family finds it very comfortable to work together, and I think what my parents did was they tried to teach us to find the absolute best things that the Italian culture had to offer and the best opportunities that the world had to offer, and put those two things together and make hay. And that's really been the basis of our success.
Well, your product, wine, is the essence of, again, the dinner table. It connects people, it connects families, and it's just ironic that your family business not only touches on the American dream, but also the product that you have become so prominent in.
It's very true. You know, we're fortunate that our products are part of the vignettes of life. So when all of our business meetings started with a dinner with some person, some place, and we'd sit down and we'd enjoy wine and food and conversation, and we'd get to know who those people were sitting at the table, and it was very much part of the DNA of what we do as a family.
I bet it was a way for your family to check in, too, wasn't it? I mean, you talked about the family values. How important is that family table? Because I know that Sunday dinners were a big tradition.
Yeah, and we did this all week long, right? Because my father would bring people from all over the world to our family table at home, and we'd meet these winemaking families that had been at it for many, many, many generations. Little did I know who they were until later in life, and we'd sit at the table with my brother, my father, my mother, and we'd talk to these people and learn about what they were doing in their family business, which was multiple generations old, and there was a lot of learning going on at that table. Absolutely.
Gives you a lot of best practices.
You know, and it continues today. The tradition continues today. I mean, you know, that is where the arguments are settled. That's where many arguments are created. But it's definitely the essence of keeping the family together is that dinner table.
It's all about the Italian love, right? That's really that bond.
Depends how you define Italian love.
Exactly. Well, we hope you're bonded to this program. We have our own Michael Weber, who's going to tell you how to extend the experience. Michael? I am having such a delightful time. First, I get to co-host with Ron here, and also we have John Terlato. And I bet that some of these points that we've been talking about are resonating with you. And whatever is resonating, I hope you will call and connect with that number you see on your screen, 773-588-1111. In Italiano, per piacere.
Per piacere. Look at you. Look at you, need me.
I do need you. I always need you.
Noi parliamo italiano. You know, John, you know, we have business practices, obviously, in America, and they're very straightforward. But, you know, the being Italian, and I know your father, Anthony J. Terlato, a mentor of mine, a true business legend here in Chicago, as far as I'm concerned, and many people are concerned. His way of doing business was, sure, you got contracts, you got orders. His way, like this, right?
Precisely.
That's the Italian way.
It was. In fact, we learned a lot of these lessons at our table. My dad was very much a handshake guy. He wanted to know who he was doing business with. And when he shook somebody's hand, that was it. And he would go to the end of the earth and back for that person, right? And then the other thing that he taught us, our family, was that quality is first. Because quality endures. So everything we did as a family was all around quality. quality food at the table, quality wines, the things that we were doing in our business. It was all about quality.
I love that you say that, because part of the mission of public television is to always bring you programming of the highest standards. It took 5 years to put this particular documentary together. It took a lot of viewer support. It took a lot of the generosity of viewers such as yourselves. So when you do talk about that commitment, we always like to think of ourselves as a family. Those of us who are supporters of this station, of public television as a whole, we like to say that there is a commitment. So I love the idea of the handshake. If we can ask you to make that handshake and call in to a level that is comfortable for you, do it through your telephone, 773-588-1111.
Wait. 773 588 1111. Chiamio adesso, per piacere.
Grazie.
Prego.
So there you go, in Italian, in English, whichever your language. We hope that you will have that universal experience of connecting back with us. And John, I love the idea that you were not pushed into the business, but that you were kind of cajoled with love.
No, that's actually absolutely right. You know, my brother and I came to the business. My father never wanted to push us into the business, and we just came to it naturally. And it's a much easier way to come to a business, and that's been good for us. And you talked about quality, this common thread between public broadcasting. Our wineries, Chimney Rock, Rutherford Hill, Terlato Family Vineyards in Sanford, it's all about quality. The families we represent from around the world, it's all about quality. For us, our support of public broadcasting is all about quality.
Thank you.
And those ideals, those Italian-American ideals that came on in 1938 and began this whole Terlato vision has now caused you to be like the #1 in the world.
Well, and in celebrating that, we're also going to celebrate more Italian Americans as we return to the program. We are going to be taking you further into the Italian experience. So sit back, relax, enjoy, maybe call, tell a friend so that they can enjoy this program right along with you. But most of all, enjoy the Italian Americans.